Friends, today's short video we will learn how we can log out of your WhatsApp account. Right now you can see this WhatsApp account here and we need to log out. So how can so do that, we are going to tell you about it. So first of all we have backed out of it and here we open the WhatsApp application again or mobile. I will tell you everything step by step. Okay, so we will open WhatsApp here. Now after opening it you can see that we need to log out of this WhatsApp. So first of all you will see there does in the corner, we will tap there and here you will get an option cancelled settings. What we will do is tap on it. Now here you will get an accounts option. What we will do is tap on here. So when we tap on it you will also get a logout option here. So if you have logged your WhatsApp into another mobile, then you will get the logout button. You have to click on it and click on the logout account option. So as soon as you click it your account will be logged out here.